Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we explore the latest in sustainable travel, off-grid innovation, and micro-mobility. Today, we're reviewing one of the most talked-about electric campers of the year, the 2025 White Electric Tricycle Camper. Compact, eco-friendly, and surprisingly capable, this model is changing the way people think about personal travel. Let's start with the exterior. The first thing you'll notice is its clean, futuristic design. The all-white matte finish gives it a minimalist yet premium appearance. The camper rides on 3 wheels, 2 in the back for added stability and 1 in the front for tight turning. Slim LED light bars are integrated into the bodywork, giving it excellent visibility and a high-tech aesthetic. Now, stepping inside, the interior is where smart design really shines. Despite its compact footprint, the layout makes excellent use of space. There's a fold-down sleeping platform that converts into a bench and table setup during the day. Storage is built into the walls, floor, and even the ceiling. You get a micro kitchenette with an induction cooktop, a collapsible sink, and a 5-liter water tank with a basic filtration system. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, you'll find a 3,000-watt electric motor powered by a lithium iron phosphate battery pack. The standard version offers a range of up to 90 miles per charge, with an optional extended battery pushing that to around 120. Now let's talk pricing. The base model starts at $11,500, which includes the battery, solar roof, and interior essentials. If you opt for the extended battery, 4-season insulation, or premium interior upgrades, you're looking closer to $14,000. Compared to traditional RVs or van conversions, this is a very affordable gateway into the world of mobile living, especially considering how little it costs to maintain and charge. On the safety front, the 2025 model comes equipped with regenerative braking, LED visibility lighting, and a 360-degree camera system for reversing and blind spots. There's also a low-speed collision alert system starts around automatic braking assist under $10, while the fully equipped version with solar panels, extra storage, and the upgraded battery package can push close to $8,500. That puts it in the premium electric trike category. But considering it replaces both a vehicle and a tent, the value proposition is strong. In conclusion, the 2025 Navy Electric Tricycle Camper is a bold step forward in micro-mobility and minimalist living. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice,